Welcome to Digital Daily, your daily dose of AI tools, tech tips, and smart ways to grow your digital income. To save time and make money. If you're looking to save time, stay productive, and maybe even make some serious cash online, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down 5 powerful AI tools you need to know in 2025. Whether you're a student, side hustler, entrepreneur, or just tech curious, let's dive right in. Tool 1. ChatGPT by OpenAI. First on the list, no surprise here, it's ChatGPT. In 2025, GPT 4.5 is smarter, faster, and more versatile than ever. You can use it to write emails, business plans, sales copy, YouTube scripts, or even code. The key here is speed. What used to take hours, ChatGPT can now do in seconds. But here's the real power move. Combine it with plugins or tools like Zapier, and it becomes your automated assistant that can manage content, send follow-up emails, and even analyze data, all without lifting a finger. If you're not using ChatGPT daily, you're falling behind. Tool 2. ElevenLabs. Second, let's talk about ElevenLabs, the AI voiceover platform that's changing the game. You can take any script and turn it into studio-quality narration that sounds like a real person, no robotic voices, no awkward pauses. This is perfect if you want to create YouTube videos, audiobooks, or even launch your own podcast without ever speaking on camera. They even offer custom voice cloning, so you can build a personal brand with your own AI-generated voice. Paired with ChatGPT, you've now got a full content production team, and it's just you. Tool 3. Pictory. At number 3, Pictory. Think of this as your personal video editor that runs on autopilot. You feed it a blog post, a script, or even just a list of bullet points, and Pictory turns it into a fully edited video using stock footage, background music, and even captions. If you're a YouTuber, social media manager, or educator, this tool is a total time saver. No need to spend hours editing. Just generate, tweak, and post. Perfect for faceless video content like this. Tool 4. Notion AI. Next up, Notion AI. Notion was already great for organizing projects and taking notes, but with AI built in, it becomes your smart assistant for everything. You can generate meeting summaries, write outlines, brainstorm business ideas, and even auto-prioritize your task lists. If you're running a solo business or trying to juggle multiple projects, Notion AI can literally save you hours a week. It's like having a virtual team that never sleeps. Tool 5. Canva Magic Studio.
And finally, Canva Magic Studio. This isn't just for designing Instagram posts anymore. With Canva's AI-powered tools, you can generate images, write social media captions, create thumbnails, and even resize designs for multiple platforms automatically. It's drag and drop simple, but super power.